Model, 2019 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 130PS350 L3H3 front-wheel drive, engine knocking spares OR repairs no VAT. Body, white, panel van, fridge van. Mileage, 196224. MOT, the 5th of June 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, fully working fridge unit. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.